The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Missile attack has resulted in the destruction of a provisional base of a unit from the 14th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Kupiansk in Kharkov region. Over 50 militants and 12 units of special military equipment have been eliminated. Massive fire attacks launched at the positions of the 66th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades of Ukrainian Armed Forces have resulted in the elimination of over 200 Ukrainian servicemen, 5 tanks and 9 infantry combat vehicles. Despite the suffered casualties and having a considerable superiority in forces and means, the enemy sent reserve forces and continued the offensive in this direction. Due to the risk to be encircled, the Allied forces were withdrawn from Krasny Liman to more advantageous frontiers. Russian forces repelled enemy's attempt to launch an offensive at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction and eliminated over 270 Ukrainian servicemen, 5 tanks, 6 infantry combat vehicles, 23 armored combat vehicles and 11 motor vehicles. Fire attack launched at the units from the 110th Territorial Defense Brigade near Novopol in Donetsk People's Republic has resulted in the elimination of over 100 nationalists, 2 tanks and 6 motor vehicles. High-precision attacks of the Russian Aerospace Forces launched at provisional bases of the 2nd Battalion and the Rocket Artillery Battalion from the 65th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Zaporozhye have resulted in the elimination of up to 60 servicemen and 10 units of military equipment, as well as of 2 US-manufactured HIMARS, multiple launch rocket systems. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 Ukrainian command posts near Artyomovsk, Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoandreevka, Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region, Polygon in Nikolaev region, as well as 68 artillery units, 153 Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 4 missile artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Rovnopolye in Zaporozhye region, Kramatorsk, Drushkovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Kalinovka in Nikolaev region, as well as 1 launching ramp of Bukom-1 air defense missile system near Grigorovka in Zaporozhye region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 of Ukrainian Air Force near Pavlovka in Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities have shot down 14 unmanned aerial vehicles near Zagoruykovka, Kislovka and Nikolaevka in Kharkov region, Zeleny Gai, Novopetrukovka, Novotroitskoye, Volnoye, Krasny Liman and Novoandreevka in Donetsk People's Republic, Koshara, Kucherskoye, Sadok, Tsukury in Kherson region and Shmitovo in Nikolaev region. 7 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS and 2 HARM anti-radar missiles have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In addition, 1 Ukrainian .U tactical missile has been shot down over Liptsi in Kharkov region. In total, 310 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,126 unmanned aerial vehicles, 378 air defense missile systems, 5,203 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 858 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,441 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,025 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.